What is the electricity consumption of an induction cooktop compared to other types of cooktops?
Hello there. Today we're diving deep into the world of cooktops and exploring how the electricity consumption of induction cooktops stacks up against other types. If you're in the market for a new stove or just curious about energy efficiency in the kitchen, stick around. Let's highlight some key points about each cooktop type.
How does induction cooking work?
Induction cooktops use a magnetic field to directly heat pots and pans. Because of this, there's no need to heat an intermediate surface, like a burner or heating element. Instead, the pot or pan itself becomes the heat source. This means induction cooktops can heat things rapidly and precisely. But how does this translate to electricity consumption?
Induction cooktop electricity consumption.
Induction cooktops are known for their efficiency. They typically convert around 90% of the energy they consume into heat for cooking. This is a sharp contrast to other cooktops. Since there is minimal wasted energy, they often use less electricity over time, even if their initial wattage appears high.
How do other cooktops compare?
Electric coil and ceramic cooktops convert about 74% and 85% of their energy into heat, respectively. These numbers can vary depending on specific models and conditions. Gas cooktops, on the other hand, are often less efficient when looking purely at energy conversion, typically around 40 to 50%. This means that a significant portion of the energy, and therefore, your money, is wasted.
What about cost?
While induction cooktops might have higher upfront costs than electric or gas options, they can lead to savings in the long run due to their efficiency. Also, because they heat up faster, you're often cooking for shorter amounts of time, which can translate into further energy and cost savings. So, there you have it. When comparing electricity consumption, induction cooktops often come out on top due to their impressive efficiency. If you're looking for a cooktop that will save you energy and potentially money in the long run, induction might just be the way to go. We hope this has been enlightening, and happy cooking!